Okay, we got an update on the Carlson today. We're probably about 10 videos in. I think we're right at the 35-hour mark in labor time on this guy. So, which was really cool is that I actually got to speak with Art Carlson's son. Found through Facebook pages. Him and an affiliate are working on some kind of a boat, and kind of ran into it by accident. Called him up, talked to him. It was a great conversation. Got to talk about how his dad built this boat. So I feel very honored and to work on this, and really appreciate the workmanship that went in this boat. And I know I can't do it justice, but I definitely got to do the best job that a person could possibly do. Anyway, we made our trip up to Cascade to make some measurements on the tower power that's going on here. I think we're going to be in good shape. It is going to get a transom plate as per the son of Art Carlson suggested, 90 horse and above, so we're going to have a nice polished aluminum plate going on here. But the reason for this update today is this is the last of Fiberglass day. And Carlson's son did suggest that we put some more strips on the outside, which we did, and on the inside as well. And he said the 1708 with these overlapping strips is way plenty. With the knee, very strong. He says you'll be okay, and we're gonna rock and roll. So that was nice input, and I sent him some pictures. Hopefully if there's anything in there that he might suggest to us, we sure will. But anyway, today is the last of Fiberglass day, so we have to patch in these areas. This is tying that upper transom original into this. I decided, this is revision number 8, that we need to tie that in stronger on each side for this motor that's going to be in here. So very cool, man. We're really excited about this job, and I think the weather is going to permit us to put glass on today. And if we can get glass in today, we'll let it cure, and we can sand and clean and start putting our fairing and spot putty in to clean it up, and that's where we are. So we have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 strips of 1708 that's going to go in today. I think probably could have just enough epoxy to finish this job up. So it's kind of an update where we are. I'm really happy with the way this thing came out. We have taken our time, did a lot of research on this, and reached out to some people that know about this particular boat, because there's not many. And how cool is that we actually got a chance to talk to the son. So very cool. When we do our final video of all those supplies and materials that we did on this boat, I'm going to include all the links and everything else that we had in one video, and that way somebody can search for it if they really want to see it. So I think we're 36 hours in, 10 videos in, from beginning to, man, one more step and we're doing finishing work. So we're super happy. Happy Friday.